as una take dey laugh me, anything wanna take mock me, wetin I know say I no do, wanna take dey laugh me, God na go judge all of una. Now wetin una love pass for una life, now una take pay the mock una mock me. Hello my people, I greet the full house from untouchable mama. How una dey? Host una dey fine. Mona not mind my voice, I know say I tell una say I get some cold, so my voice don't get as it be. I been want to do this video for live, better you decide make I record them. I said that as I dey waka they go for inside Facebook. Now I can see this video of Inlaw. Not be small wahala for inside there. The one where she can't do now, the one where this video I go play am for now, because if you don't understand this social media of a thing, say anything where you bring on inside the social media, no expect say they go like join you, even though say you they right, and not be everybody go like you. Now so this social media be, and you know go expect make they come talk and the way where you like. Everybody get the way where they want to talk you. The one where be say there for inside, she's the like time people where you support her, where you talk for the matter, for the truth side. Those one where be say no support her, she they lay course on them. Not be only on them, if God is their picking. This one, mama, you not doing well, you understand? You not doing well because now your picking where you born. Now you can't talk, say, see what you go do. Whether not true or whether not lie, you see all these people where be say you can't the cause, they're not there. Now what people see for social media, now they carry it, they analyze. And if they want to analyze them, then they analyze them the way they like. Okay? Why some go there where be say go analyze them, he go use insult or money. We don't the same for this social media. Why some go analyze them, he no go put any insult. He go bring your point come out for inside the video. Then everything go there like that. You see as you they do all these things, so this kind of saga where go come for you. I have to tell you the truth, oh, it go too big because all those people where be say you can't they insult now. They when they go when they go come they see all this kind of thing, they come out for you. Which is very bad. All those people now, we say no be you almost there for almost 60 years old. And a person where be say they 35 or 30 years, come they insult you where they 40. You go come they insult you. You know go fine for face, so you understand. So anything where you see for social media, take her like that. Say, okay, there is God. You understand? If your pikin not carry you come talk, say, see waiting. All those people, they not go use and content they like. Now so me I see and put so because the way where they carry this thing they go so if they like they tell us the kind person where she be okay my people she they tell us the kind person where it be because of your son no matter what if those people insult you want to insult them not be their children. I know they like all those people where be say if they want swear they'll say waiting you like most they swear them for that thing. If you do me something I go do it to you where do me. I not go to your papa or your mama or to your pikin. You understand? All these people where be say they want swear. In where you know your man say when you know say waiting that person like pass for in life. Or not be because they not be or way get as it be. You know? So this kind of way they do so not just good at all. I must tell you, even though say you be swagadisha but you get the way where this social media today. Otherwise, it be a cannot na me way or where be say your last born even senior. All of them will come out for you, But no expect a person must analyze the way where you like. Not be everybody like you. As you take the dress, so not be everybody they like her. Some people there will go say, oh, I assume say a mother they dress like this. Why some go even talk say, God forbid, but if my mama they dress like this, I go they share for inside house. So not be waiting you like this one like. May I play this video for now? May we analyze this video together and make una watch what she talk. How they make you they talk? But one thing when I will tell you, as you they cost me for waiting I don't know one, no two. For the lie when they put for my hair, when you don't know, you they carry her, you they analyze her, you they talk her because you want view. I tell her. Now that view, I go bury her. God, when he did heaven and earth, I go judge all of me. When they judge me wrong. Waiting I don't know one, no two when they put for my head. Now they just until they mock me. Say now, so me I be a shout. It's good now. All women when they do a shout, people still there. Or will they mark when they see they do a shout, they feed their children. Pay school fees for them.
Yeah, if I know my lag before, make you wow. Baby, I tell you one thing. As soon as they mock me, as soon as they laugh me, anything wanna they mock me, waiting I know say I not do, wanna they laugh me. God, I go judge all of you. Now waiting on love pass for my life. Now take pain. The mock me. The bully wanna bully me. But those when they talk true, God go bless all of them. Or what mania or they are mania. But when you are yet while lies, waiting I don't know one, no two. Now one lies. Waiting I don't know what they put for my head. Now they just until they cost me. White table, the white is on it. White table, the white is on it because they will still do now. They will do naturally. Hey. This life, God is share problem. Is okay. Una say una never born, una get picking for her. No worry, God will give you me to test more for his side. All of now when they mock me, when they talk with I don't know one, no two. The lie when they come put for my head and they talk. Now God I go punish all of you. They punish you now, they punish anything on our love pass on our life. Now I'll take pain.
Hey, my people. Hey. That one and those people where be say they can't talk with it then ear. What of a bad person where talk and comment where when they what when no one because I don't understand though. I just they ask question because this social media, if person no bring something comment, they not come inside your house come go and comment. Now your pikin na comment talk wetin talk oh. When everybody even they like tell and say this thing where you talk so it not good. You for not talk this thing. But people where can't use ear te ear na. Oh we do amwe bog yo warinya. O ma bege we say it not go reach their body because now wetin they see here. Wetin they bring comments and ya tie. It's just this thing where you they do so it not good. If they let us they know say I give my mama. Oh ma to boy kani no yoga give my mama oh eh. You understand? I give my mama any no ma who aja woman no mahi. E all you will say you be grandmother. Grandmother we supposed to they tell people say not be so then say they lay cost. So if you want lay cost for people or if person do you something, if you want cost some, see the way they do cause that person say not be innocent children where be say no one or two. When not what here bogeni. Where you go where nothing they do your own. Because that's why you talk that very day. Where be say your pikin talk and comment and your pikin I talk and comment. You can comment. Una do amwe bogbe or here Jama first lady. Where because you're tired or no. You say you know you don't know another person. It's very bad though. Where on a bog it not work like that too. You understand? This is the way they do so it they very, very bad. You know they behave as a mother. You know they behave as a grandmother. If na grandmother where really no say he want make peace, or mother where really no say he want make peace, he go quench everything. This one where you see the tia so you dey near. Now people where there for social media where talk all those things. Now they talking for your body. Not be your picking where you use your beku stable. Not being talking for social media. Not being content your word say see what mama do. They not even quarrel with her. Yes, they quarrel with her. So which one we call they like on the lay cost for people where talk and they are igiowa? Say back to send that no. You understand? Back to send that no. Because em ni ya no. Enya tie. No like no tie la dia. O ma hanti e bo ma no tie la dia. Em ni ya no. You drop your social media. Em ni ya with social media no. When you see something on social media, you use that to analyze what you want to analyze. And any time mom do like this or not do like this. My people, make I leave this video for now. Because when I hear this quack panak for inside here, even me where be say I never even reach your age. I know they insult like that. If I want insult person, if you come for me, I'll come for you. It's anywhere and you not that way say because I know what to pay you pass. Mommy want not take bad money is back to sender because having money because you man get anybody on. Anything where you do, you carry on with your head. Not be your innocent children where they for inside where not send anybody message. You fuck up, eh? You fuck up. Grandmother, not they behave like this. You need to put peace for inside all these things. Abi all you well all those see well adia. Or we will see what bossy well adia. Man no guanjo, man no do analyze. So it's only severe on it. Or I'm a no can when waladiani. Why or we want time or we want TNA problem mirror ijawo. It is your moya behave. Ijo mo normal no na vie. Ijo mo normal no rio vie yo pe. It ya behave. Because what ha anya wa kwa more than ekpegbe ori emi wori la wa ye bon me hia wa nie ne tia iya ma we iya he we nezo we gbedo wo na etu we gbedo fie bomb jo we ni ya bu we adi and any handle tie bon no iya gba ori eke. You see all those one when they want to insult you, they know they look back, they know they look from, they don't know anybody. Or me 30 years old or be enya when already 60 years. Or me 20 something years old land or be enya we. Onu gwaloa. Don't you gwalo enya we social media. Inya ya mama ye they don't know their papa, they don't know their mama. Now few of them na even they get that respect, say okay, this one senior me. So if not that one you want, probably not there. The agest saga no total. Inya wa me we ya we wa. All right, my people, now just this small thing I just say me, I just can't tell you. You just stop all these things. If you want your respect, continue to do what you they do. Move on with your life. Now your pikin, I tell you, settle with your pikin so that peace go reign. Otherwise, they go wrong for you because this your character where you get is sure that inside you there is pain inside, and not be we where they social media concern, and we not go still help you out. Okay, the pain is they show now. You understand? It don't they show as this saga tester. Now we contact they know say this woman is on pain for waiting they do you. Not be weak or sound. Now your picking, I draw your leg come out. Now in context tell your word say see what mama they do. And you're not ball. So what can be the rest people offense what they do. Alright people, please let me to share this video, like this video, leave your comment below to this video, okay? Do not forget to follow me on my Facebook, on Touchable Mama backup page, on Touchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube, Onto Mama TV. Now, me still get some. Bye bye for now.